Hello, and welcome to our Vytal Tutorial Series. In these videos, we'll be going over how to set up your direct-to-patient e-commerce program using the Vytal Website Builder. Today, we'll be setting up and adding a header. When you first build your Vytal website, you'll be asked to name your website. And then, connect any products you have set up. If you don't have your product set up yet, don't worry, we'll get to that in another video. Once you're done, you'll arrive at the Website Builder view. Vytal is a section-based website builder, allowing you to use section templates to create visually dynamic and compelling content that can be toggled on or off with the click of a button. But before we jump into the website itself, let's set up a branded header. We'll do this by clicking the header button at the top of the content section. As written out here, the header is a global component that appears on every page. Updating from here will update all instances throughout the site. Setting up the header is easy. Start by uploading a logo in either a PNG or JPEG format that is as close as possible to a height of 48 pixels. If you have multiple versions of your logo, I would recommend using the version that includes the fewest small text elements, as those will be a bit harder to read here in the header. Next, you can upload a favicon, which is the browser icon that shows in the tab preview. Your favicon can be the same as your logo, or it can be something even simpler. Ideally, you want your favicon to be as close to 80 pixels by 80 pixels as possible. You've now set up your very own website header. Next time, we'll continue adding brand elements to your direct-to-patient platform to demonstrate how you and your team can create a service that is uniquely yours.